Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by CurlsQueen. They did send me this 18-inch Light Yaki Clip Ins, and I'll be installing them with y'all. Show y'all how I got this very easy, beginner-friendly look. Literally, y'all, within like 15 minutes. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So guys, the steps are pretty much self-explanatory. You basically part and clip in, literally part and clip in. You can flat iron your hair, your natural hair, if you want. I did go in previously before doing the clip-ins and straightened my hair out just a little bit, not to its full potential. I would recommend using heat protecting, y'all. Definitely get y'all some heat protecting that works for y'all hair. But y'all, the steps are literally just part, clip in, part, and clip in to your desired style. Like, you can wear these clip-ins in so many styles. You could wear it up and down. You could wear a full ponytail. You could wear a Barbie ponytail with a bang. You could wear two bangs with a bun. Like, you could wear a middle part, side part, flip over, literally, you name it. So, y'all, I definitely would invest in some clip-ins. And I definitely love the way these blended in with my hair texture. Like, y'all, 10 out of 10 in my book.
Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it. You're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm
So y'all, I will be doing 2 styles with these clip-ins. I will be doing that little Barbie ponytail with the 2 bangs coming down. Literally real quick and easy 15-minute look without using heat to your hair. As y'all can see, I have been putting a lot of heat to my hair. Definitely would recommend using a heat protector when you are doing clip-ins because you do not want to fry your hair. I'm basically doing this step by step, parting off my little bang area, then I'm going through the back. I'm only putting 3 tracks in, y'all, to do this bun. Literally 3 tracks. I'm putting my first track upwards, basically the opposite way that you would put it if you was basically putting it down. Then I'll be putting 2 tracks going towards the back, so basically it would make a full ponytail. It's very self-explanatory, y'all. After I was done, I did go in and curl the end pieces of my bun, and then I also bobby pinned them up just to give it more so like a messy type look. Real easy, y'all. 15-minute go. As I was telling y'all could literally wear these clip-ins however you want to wear them, any kind of style. Very beginner friendly.
Why my bad bitch I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now a
volume,
bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitch, discreet shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, we know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she's so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus
So this is the final look with my clip-ins. This is how it look all down. I did have a little flip over method, but I decided to just part it in the middle. Real cute, very full. Very full. I love the way this texture blends in with my hair, y'all. This is Light Yaki, okay? It is Light Yaki. As you can see, you can't put heat to it. You can curl it, flat iron it. It is up to you. I just love these clip-ins, y'all. Like, run, don't walk. Go to for the summer, go to for a vacation, easy, quick hairstyle, going to work, whatever the case is. Definitely would recommend clip-ins. CurlsQueen is literally like one of the top clip-in companies. I have worked with them multiple times, y'all. They never disappoint. This is my first time trying their Yaki texture straight. So yeah, I definitely love it. I did cut a few layers in it, as y'all could see, but the hair was 18 inches, so I really didn't have to do too much cutting, honestly. But I do feel like as you wear clip-ins, the more and more different styles you wear them and different layers you cut, they just have their own look after a while. And y'all, I did these Thursday. It is currently Monday. So yes, definitely love the clip-ins. Like, and then not only that, y'all, it's Yaki texture, so I don't have to put too much heat to my hair to get it too straight. Like, perfect. Honestly, truthfully, everything about this company will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 50K on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely go and shop at CurlsQueen. Let them know that I did send y'all. Definitely go shop at CurlsQueen. Everything will be in the description box. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.